Van's taking the car home. Scotty, go be a spotter. Scotty's coming to be your spotter. It's done.
Come on, you just watch your side, I got this side. Easy, straight, hold, straight. Straight. Straight out. Straight out.
Woohoo!
You're very welcome.
This car looks so good. You guys did amazing. It's the first time I heard it with both mufflers. It sounds incredible.
It does, it sounds amazing.
It sounds perfect.
Sounds great.
It's perfect. That's what happens when we get the correct stuff for it. You're
very
welcome. Wow. I'm so stoked.
You're very welcome.
You're welcome. Enjoy, Van. Of course. Let's go in. Bye-bye, birdie. Another fine T-bird. Out the door.